Welcome to Product Critique, and today, we're reviewing the best Comfort Zone Oscillating Wall Mount Fan. If you're looking for a powerful, space-saving fan to keep your room cool and comfortable, this fan may just be what you need. Let's dive right into the features that make this fan stand out from the competition. First, this Comfort Zone fan is designed for ultimate versatility. With 3 speed settings, you have full control over the airflow. Whether you need a light breeze or a more powerful gust, this fan lets you adjust to your preference, making it perfect for different spaces like your bedroom, gym, or office. The 16-inch size ensures that you get efficient air circulation without taking up much room. One of the standout features of this fan is its space-saving wall mount design. It easily attaches to the wall, allowing you to free up valuable floor space. The installation process is quick and straightforward, making it an excellent solution for rooms where you need consistent airflow but lack the space for a bulky floor fan. Once mounted, you can enjoy a permanent and efficient cooling solution that doesn't take up any extra room. What sets this fan apart is its exceptional airflow performance. Thanks to its powerful, yet quiet motor, this fan provides an impressive breeze that cools down even large areas. You'll experience comfort without the annoying noise that comes with many other fans, making it ideal for spaces where peace and quiet are important, such as bedrooms or offices. This fan also features a flexible timer function. If you prefer the fan to automatically turn off after a certain period, you can set the timer to match your needs. This is great for energy efficiency, especially if you want the fan to run while you're drifting off to sleep but don't want it running all night. The fan is controlled through convenient pull cords, which makes operation a breeze. The dual pull cords allow you to easily turn the fan on or off and adjust the speed settings without having to reach for a remote or control panel. Whether you're sitting or lying down, the pull cords are easy to access, ensuring you never have to leave your comfort zone to adjust the fan. In conclusion, the Comfort Zone Oscillating Wall Mount Fan is a fantastic choice if you're in the market for a reliable, powerful, and space-efficient fan. Whether you need it for your home, office, or gym, this fan delivers consistent performance while keeping things simple. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe to Product Critique for more product reviews to help you make the best buying decisions.